Hello and welcome to Kiddi English Stories YouTube channel. Please subscribe the channel and turn on the notification. Today I am going to listen a story about the Johnson family's tale of love and unity. Once upon a time, in a picturesque town nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a loving family named the Johnsons. The heart of this family was their unwavering unity, a bond that held them together through thick and thin. Let me introduce you to the Johnsons: John, the wise and caring father; Emily, the nurturing and compassionate mother; James, the responsible elder brother; and little Lily, the curious and spirited younger sister. Their story begins on a warm summer evening, as the setting sun painted the sky in shades of orange and pink. The Johnsons had gathered on their cozy front porch, where a wooden swing gently swayed and fireflies danced in the twilight. It was their favorite spot to share stories and dreams. John, with his salt and pepper hair and a twinkle in his eye, began, "You know, kids, it's here on this porch that your mother and I dreamed of building our family. We've watched James grow into a fine young man, and Lily, my sweet Lily, you're growing up so fast." Emily, her eyes brimming with love, chimed in, "Yes, and every day I feel blessed to have this family. Our unity is our greatest strength. We support each other, and that's what makes us strong." James, ever the responsible elder brother, added, "And I'm proud to be part of this family, to guide and protect Lily as she learns about the world. Together, we can face anything." Lily, her eyes wide with wonder, said, "I love you all so much. You're my heroes, and I learn something new from each of you every day." As the evening deepened, the family shared stories of their adventures and dreams. John and Emily recounted their own childhoods and the lessons they had learned. John had grown up in a small farming community, and he regaled his family with tales of planting fields and harvesting crops alongside his parents. Emily, on the other hand, had grown up in the bustling city, and she shared stories of her adventures exploring museums and libraries, igniting Lily's imagination. James shared tales of his school days, his friends, and his aspirations for the future. He had a passion for science and dreamed of becoming an engineer someday. As he spoke, Lily's eyes sparkled with admiration for her big brother. Lily, with her boundless imagination, painted vivid pictures of the magical adventures she hoped to embark on. She spoke of exploring far-off lands, discovering hidden treasures, and befriending talking animals. Her stories filled the porch with wonder and laughter. Underneath the starry night sky, the Johnsons laughed and shared secrets, strengthening their bond even further. John wrapped his arm around Emily, and she rested her head on his shoulder. James and Lily snuggled close, feeling the warmth of their family's love. With a contented sigh, John said. "This unity we share is our most precious treasure. It's what makes us a family. Through the ups and downs of life, we'll always have each other." As the night grew quiet, crickets sang their lullaby, and the Johnsons felt the magic of their family unity envelop them, a bond that would continue to shine bright through the years. And so, they embraced the peaceful night, knowing that as long as they had each other, their story would be filled with love, laughter, and the warmth of a united family. Days turned into weeks, and the Johnsons continued to cherish their moments together. They went on family hikes in the nearby hills, exploring the hidden trails and discovering the wonders of nature. Lily, always curious, would collect colorful leaves and interesting rocks, creating her own little natural museum. One sunny weekend, the Johnsons decided to go camping in the forest that bordered their town. They packed their camping gear, a cozy tent, and a picnic basket filled with Emily's homemade sandwiches and John's famous chocolate chip cookies. As they ventured into the woods, their laughter echoed through the trees. The camping trip brought them even closer together. They sat around a crackling campfire, roasting marshmallows and sharing ghost stories. Lily clung to James during the spooky tales, and he wrapped a protective arm around her. They gazed up at the star-studded sky, and John pointed out constellations, sparking Lily's curiosity about the universe. One night, as they lay in their cozy tent, the sound of owls hooting in the distance, Lily asked, "Do you think there are magical creatures hiding in these woods, like the ones in my stories?" James, with a playful smile, replied, "Well, you never know, Lily. This forest is so vast, and who's to say what secrets it holds?" Emily added, "But remember, the most magical thing of all is the love and unity in our family. It's what makes every adventure special." As they drifted off to sleep, the family felt the gentle embrace of the forest, a reminder of the wonders that surrounded them and the strength of their unity. Back home, their lives continued to be filled with love and shared experiences. They planted a vibrant garden in their backyard, each family member contributing their favorite flowers and vegetables. They watched as the garden blossomed into a riot of colors, a reflection of their shared love and care. The Johnsons also volunteered together at the local animal shelter, helping to care for abandoned pets. Lily, with her gentle heart, would spend hours playing with the cats and dogs, while James used his knowledge of engineering to repair cages and structures. John and Emily taught Lily the importance of kindness and empathy, values that would stay with her throughout her life. As the seasons changed, so did the Johnsons' adventures. They went apple picking in the fall, creating delicious pies and cider from their harvest. In the winter, they built snowmen and enjoyed cozy evenings by the fireplace, sipping hot cocoa and sharing stories of their favorite family moments. Years passed, and James pursued his dream of becoming an engineer, enrolling in a prestigious university. His family stood by him, cheering him on as he embarked on this new chapter in his life. John and Emily felt a mix of pride and nostalgia, knowing that their little boy had grown into a remarkable young man. Lily, inspired by her family's love and unity, grew up to be a compassionate and adventurous young woman. She pursued her passion for storytelling, writing magical tales that captured the hearts of readers around the world. Her stories often featured a loving family, inspired by her own. Through the years, the Johnsons faced their fair share of challenges and setbacks, but they always emerged stronger, their unity unwavering. They learned that it was their love and support for one another that would carry them through even the darkest of times. And so, the story of the Johnson family continued, a tale of love, laughter, and the unbreakable bond that held them together. As they gathered on their front porch once more, watching the sun set on another beautiful day, they knew that their family's unity was their greatest treasure, a treasure that would shine brightly for generations to come. Hope you like the story. Hit the like button and share with your friends. And do subscribe the channel. Thank you.